Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is probability. Shelley is excited to visit Towering Pines State Park because she can earn a Junior Ranger badge by completing the daily challenge. Today's challenge is to record how many birds with orange feathers she sees. The table below shows the birds with orange feathers that Shelley has observed today. All right, so all these are birds with orange feathers, and there's different types of birds. We have the oriole, the robin, the grosbeak, the flicker, and the wren. What we need to find out is what it is that we're looking for. It says, based on the data, what is the probability that the next bird spotted with orange feathers is a flicker? So what we're looking for is the probability of finding a flicker. So I want to say the probability of a flicker is want over total. Well, what we want is a flicker. That's the type of bird that we're interested in. And then we want to find, obviously, calculate the total number of birds that we're looking at that have orange feathers. So continuing this process, we found 3 flickers in our table. And the total number of birds is 2 and 8 is 10, 4 is 14, and 3 is 17, and 1 is 18. So we have a total of 18 birds. So we could say that the probability of finding a flicker is 3 out of 18, but that can be reduced as well. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So our probability of finding a flicker out of all the birds with the orange feathers at the park is 1 in 6. Well, thanks for watching today, and as always, we will see you next time.